Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to copy sync contacts to your Google account. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. I'm going to click on settings right here. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down and make sure you go to Google. The next thing you need to do is to click on Google account. Then proceed to your Google account. Then swipe this way and make sure you go to people and sharing. Then scroll down right here and make sure you go to contacts. The next thing you need to do is to click on this three slider. The next thing you need to do is to click on import. The next thing you need to do is to select your file right here. Having selected the file, then import is going to be active. Then click on import. Then all the same contacts is going to be imported into your Google account for the best and easy backup. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.